continue. Students, I hope you can see this website page.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, there is a, please select your requirements. So these are nothing but needs. Online plan, saving plan, protection plan, wealth creation, retirement. This is how you should do the need analysis. Okay, so wealth creation, retirement, child plan. See, so looking at his situation, the need for him is now child plans. So if I click on child plans, please wait. Yeah. So give wings to your child's dreams by saving today. So this is what I was trying to explain. So Mr. Naresh is required to save for the education of his children. Okay, so there are different policies. Just let us consider one, SBI Life Smart Champ Insurance. Okay, so key features. This information what you should be writing, okay, in presentation. So based on the information of Mr. Naresh, you will do the need analysis. You identify that his need is, okay, child plans. Okay, so you can recommend any one child plan, but you need to have some general knowledge at least, not if specific information like this. Okay, so SBI Life Smart Champ Insurance, a traditional participating child insurance plan, helps in securing child's educational needs. Okay, so this is how you will build up your presentation. Then you can add in your presentation or answer annual premium range. Okay, so rupees 6,000 onwards. See, annual premium is 6,000 rupees and above. Child age can be 0 onwards. Okay, so the proposer should be minimum 21 years of old. So what are the key benefits? Payouts based on your child's age. Okay, as and when you need, so accordingly you can take up the policy, and the premium waiver benefit is also available. So this all information will get into your, okay, presentation, and you have to explain it in an answer. If it is a discussion, which is not happening now actually, you would have spoken about this. In the examination, you have to write this as an answer. Okay. So then here, let me go ahead with the remaining steps. So students, I hope you can see this PowerPoint slide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir.
Okay, so after the presentation, so based on need assessment for child plan, we made a presentation to him or promoted a child plan. You can write, I will give the brochure of the child plan and so on. You need not remember exact plan or name of the policy, okay? It is not required, but some general information about insurance policy, which is required for the discussion answer or for the customer in our case. Then meeting objections. Okay, here you have to create your own questions, okay, and type this kind of a question may be asked by Mr. Naresh, okay, and this is your answer. Okay, say for example, you can say for my salary, okay, so how much premium can I afford? He may directly ask. Okay, then you should be able to give him that, sir, the minimum premium per year, is 6,000 rupees. You can take up a policy where the minimum premium is 6,000 rupees. But this amount of premium differs from person to person depending on the age and sum assured and term of the policy. You should remember this. You should have this general knowledge. Okay, so that way you can ask. Okay, then gaining commitment. So once you answer the questions of Mr. Naresh, you can say how you should write. Okay, so Mr. Naresh, okay, so I believe that your child's future is important for you. So you are planning to save for your children's college education, and this particular child plan which I, okay, explained to you, you feel, okay, you are confident about it. So can I have the first premium? So that is how you close the sales in insurance, remember. Okay, so sales happens when the customer agrees to take the policy and pays the first premium. Okay, there are a couple of forms to be filled there. Okay, so you can consider that as a follow-up. You can fill it right there, or you can meet him one more time and fill up the forms. Okay, prepare his insurance policy, but before that you should have paid the premium. Okay, then you will hand over the, in follow-up you can write, you will hand over the insurance policy to Mr. Naresh. Okay, so and as well as the receipt of the premium paid, both you can hand it over to Mr. Naresh and thank him. Okay, and that is how you can say, or you can frequently once in a year, if the mode of payment is annual premium. So once in a year, you keep reminding Mr. Naresh about the payment of the premium so that the policy can remain active till the end of its term. So this way, you have to think and make sentences in English and go on explaining your answer in examination. Or if it would have been a discussion, you would have spoken. Okay, the way I told you. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so about this case on adaptive personal selling. Okay, so please look. So how it looks. Okay, when you take a look like a layman, when we take a look at this, some 6-line case. Okay, one may think, okay, there is nothing much to discuss. Okay, so you can go for another hour actually. Okay, on this kind of a case, you can go for 1 more hour. Okay, in more detail. Okay, answering the question, or if there would have been discussion, like students would come also with the objections. Objections means questions from the customer end, and other questions will try to answer. So this discussion can actually go for 2 hours. So please try to understand what is brought to you. Okay, what is taught to you is a class. Okay, very high quality content, but where a lot of reading and effort from your side is required. It is okay. Thank you so much. Anyway, so as long as you are present at least, okay, I can do my duty. That is more important. I should thank to you. Okay, so I'll stop here. So now we'll go for the questions if any you have. Similar questions again will come in I3, not same, something different. Okay, then in semester and examination. So what are you going to write in the last exam of your MBA program, the last education program of your life? Yeah. So any questions from students?
No, sir.
Okay, no question from Sharon. How about others? You have any queries?
No, sir.
Anything you recall where an insurance agent came to your home, tried to promote and sell an insurance policy to your parents, and you witnessed it, you were there present? Any one student at least?
Sir, car insurance, sir.
It was about car. He came to
Yes,
meet your
sir.
father or you only?
No, sir, my father, sir.
You were there. So
Yes,
it was renewal or a first time?
sir, no, first time, sir, when we were buying new car, no, sir.
Correct.
So that time he said, sir.
He
So
was
like,
there only in the
there were-
showroom or he came to home?
No, sir, he came home, sir. Like company people suggested one person, sir.
Okay.
But as we used to take this insurance from other people, no, sir.
Okay.
Like before, we used to use the old car and
Okay.
other bikes and all, sir.
Ah.
So my dad called to talk about this new car, sir. So that time he explained, sir, how useful and all, sir.
Okay, that's great. So you have some idea about this.
Yes, sir. But we tell now, sir, it's very difficult to convince, sir.
Yeah, that is there. Okay, that is there.
Yes.
Okay, because see, if you catch hold of the need properly, then you can pitch a proper
Yes.
policy. But if you don't have
But
any
as you told
idea, yes.
Adaptive personal selling, sir. Sir, now I can recall, sir. Like he used to tell my dad, sir. Like my dad never travels for a long distance, sir.
Okay.
Like only he travels max to max in a month. He can travel around 200, 300 kilometers, sir. Not
Okay.
more than that. That is also very rare.
Okay.
But one of his friend who is a business,
Uh-huh.
so he needs to travel at least 1,000 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers, sir, every month.
Okay.
So that time I came to how salesperson tell them, sir. He told like for my dad, he told a little amount of insurance, sir, a basic one,
Smaller
sir,
one. Okay.
because he said you much
Yes.
and there is no risk. You will be parked in a place for a longer time, so you can take this kind of thing. But whereas for my dad's friend, he told, sir, like you are a regular traveler, So you might be look for much beneficiary thing because you travel a lot. There might be things which should not happen. So in case it
Okay.
happens, then beneficiary like this.
So your father's friend was also there in the room.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They
Okay,
both
so-
were.
So two
That's at a
customers,
time.
were there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you, Sharon. So thank you very much, everyone. So let's quickly go ahead through your attendance. Please be ready. The next student, unmute your audio and be ready to answer. Don't unmute once I call your name. Yeah, Nishad,
Yes, sir.
Aditya,
Present, sir.
Akshata,
Present, sir.
Akshay Pujari, Akshay Koradkeri,
Present, sir.
Ankita,
Present, sir.
Anusha,
Present, sir.
Apeksha,
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh. Yeah, he was present. Prasad was present.
Yes, sir.
Supriya was also present.
Present.
Yeah. Then Divya. Divya not present. Gautam,
Present, sir.
Gururaj, Hanvantrai,
Yes, sir.
Bhimaya,
Present, sir.
Kalaya,
Present, sir.
Karthik,
Yes, sir.
Manjur was present. Yes. Manoj,
Yes, sir.
Meghna Kalburgi was also present. Meghna Lokhande.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah, Nandan was present. Nikita.
Present, sir.
Yes, Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep was absent. Then next, Pramod. Those who have given attendance, please log out. Those who have given attendance, you can please log out. Thank you. Then Pramod, Pranjali,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Prashant,
Yes, sir.
Prema,
Yes, sir.
Rahul, Ram,
Present, sir.
Rohit,
Yes, sir.
Varsha was present. Yes. Samuel, absent. Sharan was present. Shruti Nogaja. Yeah, Shruti absent. Shweta Kalkeri. Then Snehal was present.
Present, sir.
Shweta Kalkeri is also present. Okay, Snehal is present. Sudarshan present.
Yes, sir.
Sudha present.
Present, sir.
Suman is absent. Then Vishal is present. Okay. So Anusha has sent a message. Okay, I will mark her present.
Sir, Nikita Karmanka
Anusha
present.
seven. Yeah, Nikita is marked present already. You gave attendance, no?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Varsha is also marked present. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, then thank you everyone. Good day to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
sir.
Good day.